Morning everybody, Lin-E here, Campfire Girls, and this is our snow we got yesterday, last night. Very, very pretty snow. It's a powdery snow. I'm going to zoom in here a little bit. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that's too much. Anyway, there's the valley and the farm. Kirby's bladed around the exterior here. You can see, let me zoom in here. He thinks we've got about 8 inches here in Missouri, so, or where we're at anyway, in Missouri. And right now it's about 10:15 in the morning. Looks like it's starting to stop snowing finally. I hope so. Anyway, he's out plowing. I'll catch you out of the front side and give you a glimpse of that too. But very pretty snow. It's just cold. It's like, you know, double digits here, and it's like single to double digits. It's very cold. Okay, as you can see, we've got some piles. He's been grading his driveway and sidewalk. That's the grassy area. He tarped over for Rosie so she has grass to go pee-pee and poo-poo on. Yeah, quite a bit of snow here in Missouri. So he's still calling it about 8 inches. I think we're done though. I hope we're done. We shall see, right? But I'm still staying in. We're gonna watch some football. It's our last fight to the Super Bowl today. So I hope everybody's warm, safe, happy, and fed. Peace to all.